Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll see how we can create an external captive portal with vouchers. We'll be using SplashAir, a software our team developed in which various types of external captive portal flows can be created and managed in a vendor-agnostic way. First, we'll go to vouchers and we'll create a new voucher. We'll be able to define the voucher code. For example, let's make it test. And then we'll be able to define the time duration during which the voucher will be active. For example, we can make it 1 day, and the upload and download bandwidth rate limits. For example, we can make them 1 Mbps for this test, and the volume cap and the maximum number of devices which will be permitted to use this voucher. So let's make it 2. And once the voucher has been created, we can then go to templates to uh, to see what our captive portal looks like. We can customize the look of the captive portal to reflect our branding and select the fields that we want, for example, first name, email, etc. And then in flow type, we'll select voucher. So this means that the user will be presented with a voucher first, and if they enter the correct code, then they'll go through the rest of the flow, and finally they will be connected to the internet. So now let's see it in action. So we'll connect to the network which has the captive portal, and a login message will appear. We will click on that, and the captive portal would ask for the voucher code. So we will enter the test voucher code, and after that, in the next step, it asks us to enter our name and email address. So we'll enter that, and we can review the terms and conditions. And once that is done, we will get connected to the internet. The data entered by the user on the portal can be reviewed in the Customers tab. So here's the first name and email address that they entered. So that's it for now. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks and have a nice day.